For delicious. For delicious. For delicious. For delicious. Hi guys! Finally I decided to make a vlog because of this ECQ. I'm getting so bored, so I decided to just spare some time and share my personal life to you. And by the way, I'm Glenn, and my first vlog will be all about my bag. So I've seen a lot of vlogs on doing this, so I want to show you what's inside my bag. So first, this is my bag. This is what I use every day since I bought this. I like this very much. It's very comfortable. I bought this in the US when I was there last year. So when I first saw this, I fell in love already. So yeah. Ever since I bought it, I've been using it a lot. So hindi naman siya masyadong laspag pa. So saka if you notice, masyado siyang puno. So yeah, I like packing a lot inside my bag. So what's inside this bag? This is an MK bag, by the way. Yeah. What's inside? First is small bag inside my bag. What's inside this? Chargers. A lot of chargers. Charger for my phone. Charger for my Surface. Charger for my camera. And charger for my watch. Yeah. Next is another small bag. What's inside? A lot of stuff, techie stuff like USBs, earphones, memory card, adapters, yeah, and some other cables that I might use for my Surface or cell phone whatsoever. Another small bag. I love putting small bags inside my bag. So this one, it's like a Kikai kit. So I put all my toiletries here. As you can see, my mouthwash is here. Soaps, deodorant, and shampoo, toothbrush, and my favorite cologne. I discovered this from my friend in Singapore. She always used this. Yeah, it really has a nice scent. Yeah, you should try it. So what else inside my bag? This one, this is my big wallet. I put some stuff here, some bills, some cards, but it's not my primary wallet. I just use this for some storage purposes for my money. And for some of my cards. Yeah. What else? Okay. So I don't have any more bags here. I have this camera. I always bring this because when I travel, I love taking pictures. Yeah, sorry, this is the camera. So I've had a lot of photos and videos here. I always planned to do vlogging, but I didn't have enough time to edit my videos. So now I'm doing my first vlog, so maybe it will encourage me to edit some of the videos here. So yeah, in the next episodes maybe I will vlog my recent travels, so check it out. And next I have this Surface Go. Yeah, this is I purchased this when I was in Singapore. It's really yeah, it's really compact and very small and very lightweight, so this is really highly recommended if you want to purchase some laptop and tablet at the same time. And what else inside my bag? A notebook. This is from my previous company where I worked, German Railways. I used to work in German Railways, so yeah, I stole some of their things. No joke. This was my previous notebook, so they still have a lot of pages, so I'm using it for notes taking. Because mahina ng memory ko actually. So I just put some stuff there, like my bills and my expenses. I like to put it in a notebook rather than in my cell phone. So what else? Oh, okay, I guess that's it. Here, there's a small pocket here. Actually, this is just this bag is just a simple one. So there are some side pockets along the way, and yeah, it's quite small. But yeah, like what you notice, I put a lot of things in my bag. So yeah, ganun talaga ako. And well, here in this small pocket, I have, yeah, of course, power bank, because I use my phone a lot, so I charge my phone once in a while. This my favorite coin purse. I purchased this in Singapore. So yeah, this is my primary wallet. No, I have a primary wallet, but I always bring this. I have my watch, Galaxy watch. I use this to track my steps and my burn calories. I also have this because when I travel, I tend to sleep a lot. So, yeah. I also have this. This is for my gym. Whenever I go to gym, I use this. This is my key. Anytime Fitness. Yeah. Because my friend told me to buy some stones to counteract the evil forces of nature. As if, oh, wow, I found one. I found a 1,000 peso bill. Okay, that's lucky. Yeah, that's it. I highly recommend this bag if you want to purchase this. Go to a Michael Kors store. Yeah, it's really nice bag. So that's it. Hope to see you in my next vlog. So yeah, Enjoy your quarantine. See you soon.